How to download and add save to Google Drive extension on Chrome Web Store. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Google Chrome and then go to Google and search for Chrome Store and click on Chrome Web Store and then search for save to Google Drive right here and click enter and click on the first option. And now here, as you can see, all what you have to do is click on add to Chrome and click add extensions, and everything is gonna be done for you. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.